Ningbo Yaoke Hardware Products Company Limited, established in 2016 and headquartered in Ningbo, Zhejiang, strategically located near the port, is a trusted manufacturer and supplier of precision industrial hardware. We specialize in fasteners, mechanical components, and electrical hardware, delivering top-quality solutions for industries worldwide. We excel in R&D, and strict quality control system covers the entire process from raw material selection and production monitoring to international logistics. Through close collaboration with 50+ experienced manufacturing partners, we ensure every batch of products meets international standards including ISO 9001, IATF 16949 requirements. Partner with us for reliable hardware solutions and customized support to drive your business success.